This is choreography from today. There's no breaks actually, right? It's all 1 and 2 and there's no stopping. Every and count has something. So let's do it one time together and we'll break it down. Okay, both legs and arm and shoulder together. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Excellent. Good. So let's break it down. Legs. All it is, you should think about the legs out, out, in. When I say out, out, in, try to keep your spine. If you're looking at the mirror, don't go side to side. It's just your legs going out, out, in. Okay. But on the in part, we're gonna go back and forth. Back and front. So out, out, in. So you're putting right leg behind, left leg in the front. Okay? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. Now when I do this right here, I'm gonna face this side right here. As I'm doing this, right now my weight is more on my right leg, which means I'm leaning on the back. Okay? It really doesn't matter, but it matters later. So right now I'm gonna keep on the back. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. Notice when I do this here, the legs are straight, right? So I'm not gonna go 1 and 2 and. There's no bending here, not yet. 1 and 2 and. Now I got 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4 is left shoulder up, and this is what we call a seesaw, right? So when one shoulder goes up, the other goes down at the same time. So it's not 3 and 4. It's 3 and 4. Make sure they count, okay? Let's do that together. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and. On the 4, I'm gonna bend. That's when I bend, okay? If I'm bending before that, then the bend's not gonna look good because it was already bent. So it has to be unbend to bend. 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. On the and, 4 and, that's when I put my weight to the front. Okay? If I put my weight on the left leg, which is the front leg, then that'll allow my right leg to go 5 and 6. And I'm stepping out. Okay? Stepping out. 5 and 6. Let's get it. 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Perfect. From here, 5 and 6 and 7. This is all pivot, shoulder, okay? So we got 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Pivot, shoulder, So 3, 4, stepping on the 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. On the 8, that's when I break the line, because everything else is pretty much straight up and down. Okay? Was that my phone? Whose phone was that? One more time. 5. Let's go from the top. 6, 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4